Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these best email management tools, which is Hey Email. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Hey Email takes a bold approach to inbox management by rethinking how messages are handled with tools like the screener to block unwanted sender, automatic sorting into categories like feed and paper trail, and handy features like reply later and set aside. It's designed to give you full control over email clutter. The clean interface and distraction-free design make it appealing to anyone tied to traditional inbox overload. On the flip side, Hey lock you into its own ecosystem with no IMAP or third-party client support, which is a deal breaker for some. Search can feel less powerful compared to Gmail or Outlook, and advanced formatting options are limited. So in conclusion, it's a great fit if you value simplicity and control over consequence. So if less ideal is what you need, or you need a compatibility and flexibility, just go for Hey Email, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.